Hello everyone, in this video we are going to build a streaming setup for under $100 and see if this budget is enough to start streaming. If you are a beginner in streaming or you are planning to start, stay tuned. Amazon links to all devices you can find in the description. First, let's start with webcam. I found this Full HD webcam for $90 that records 1080p at 30 frames per second. It comes with a small tripod, which is very useful. Tripod allows you to easily set up camera angle you need. This webcam also has built-in microphone with noise reduction and also privacy cover. Next, let's talk about microphone. You can use a webcam built-in microphone for streaming, but I would strongly recommend buying at least a budget USB condenser microphone. This will improve your stream quality a lot. After quick research, I finally decided to choose Fifine Ampli Gain. It's a good budget microphone that competes with more expensive mics. It has a mute sensor button on top and easy access volume control on the bottom. Also a cute pop filter. You can find this mic with a small tripod stand for $35 on Amazon, but I bought a kit with an arm stand for $50. Next, lighting. This is really important part for stream formats where your main focus is on your camera. Good lighting significantly improves your video quality. But what can we get in our budget? I found these LED panels with tripods for $40, which are very popular choice, and they are good quality, bright and with adjustable tripods. But what I don't like about these panels is that they take up a lot of space and color choice is limited. So I found another solution. These are RGB light bars, but they are surprisingly great for our purpose. I just place them on each monitor side and they are bright enough to light up my face perfectly. They also do not take a lot of space like LED panels with tripods do. A lot of light modes even have audio visualizer functions. So far we spent $90 and that's probably all you need to start. I also found a couple of devices that may be useful. First, numeric keypad for $8, which you can use to change your scenes in OBS or Streamlabs OBS. It's kind of replacement for expensive Stream Deck. And USB hub for $15. If you are using a laptop, you probably need one to connect everything. This hub has 4 USBs and 4 power buttons, and in general it makes it easier to manage connected devices. So in this video I reviewed a $100 stream setup. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to see more.